Hi guys, today we're gonna drawing a little cat kitty for beginner. We start drawing that shape like a oval. Now we have to drawing this other shape that gonna help us to drawing the body of the cat. Now it's time to delete. For delete we only have to drawing this shape. This shape look like a square. And the second leg. Now let me drawing the tail, the cat tail, like an oval. We only have to drawing like an oval, the tail. Now let's continue with the ears. For the ears we only have to use shape like a triangle. Now let me draw in the eyes. We only have to draw in one eyes for the pose of the cat. Okay, now here we start drawing a plant. And this drawing I want to express the next idea. Watering the plant is good for our planet. And it's true. We have to water the plants. Here, I'm gonna drawing a watering can for watering the plant. If you pay attention, you will realize that I'm drawing using easy and simple shapes. And I'm express this nice idea. A little cat washing a person, watering a plant, and the idea, like you know, now it's time to add the lineart. I love this part. It's good, it's nice, and I love it. A good tip to add the line is be relaxed, listen music, and that's it. Now it's time to add color. For that reason I'm gonna use Ohuhu markers. Ohuhu markers are my favorite art tools. I love these markers. They are easy to use, they are cheap, and have a nice ink. By the way guys, in the description you have all the information about all the material I use in this video and I used to use always. And if you want a drawing, go to my Fiverr that gonna appear here in the screen or in the first comment. Okay, yeah, like you know, I don't add a liner to this leaf, and look how cute. Now guys, the most important part of the drawing is add lines. Like I'm using these markers, I'm using postcard markers, and now it looks so cute. But let me add a background. For the background, I'm using watercolor, just one color, a yellow, and let me add some shadow. And the most stressful part of the all drawing is this. I have to be careful. Yes, careful. Oof. Okay, one more. And yeah, okay. This is the final result of our drawing. It's a little cat, a kitty. To be honest, I love kitties. I love cats. Cats are amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a nice like, nice comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Bye bye.